Why in the world are superhero eyes white? I don't know. But I'll show you the trick on how to make eyes look like this to make those superhero eyes nice and easy. Alright guys, welcome. Make sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification so that you can be notified whenever we come out with these quick tip videos. And if you guys are wondering too, why in the world superhero eyes are white, just go ahead and type super into the comments below. Alright, with that, let's jump in. I'm going to show you guys an easy way to be able to make this effect where you get the white cosplay eyes on the outside so that it looks like you've just got the white eyes, but from the inside you can see out with a great vision. Alright, so I just need to grab something real quick. Show my
hi, it's Messy Workshop. Oh, Skylar's just going crazy. Crazy door and some kid stuff on the ground, some foam.
Alright, here we go. So this is the stuff right here. Got it.
This is really organized.
Okay. So this stuff is a white perforated vinyl. It's the same type of thing that you'd put on, you know, those bus wraps that you see where it's got this big ad and you're sitting inside the bus and you're like, I can see outside the window. But I know I saw this bus the other day and it just looked like a big full picture on the side. How's that possible? Same trick. So you can get this on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. And what this is, if you look close, you can see it's kind of like a vinyl sticker, basically. It's got all these little perforated holes. On the back, it's black. And this is sticky on the back side, right? So what you do is you get a little piece of clear plastic. If you want to go nice and cheap and inexpensive, just cut up a spinach container that you're not using anymore out of the fridge. Or you can get like a PETG or a different type of clear plastic that's a little bit easier to like mold and shape and things for lenses. But essentially you can see right in here, all I did, this is spinach container plastic right here, is this is plastic, but then what I did is I cut out the lens shape right there that I needed to be able to glue on the inside. It's a little bit larger than the opening here. And then what you do is on this side of the plastic, you're going to peel off the perforated vinyl, stick that to it, and then trim off any excess around the edge, and then you just go ahead and glue in your lens right inside there. And then Olivia's going to demonstrate for you that from the inside you can see through quite well.
It's a little bit harder with the camera.
But yeah, when your eyes are right up close to that and you've got the dark helmet on, you can see through really well. But from the outside, you get that nice white eye superhero effect. So that's how you do it. Another cool thing with this that you can see I did here on Black Panther. So similar, same exact stuff, but his are silver. And so what I did is just before I peeled this off, I just painted this silver first. So you just do that, paint it the color that you want, red, silver, whatever kind of colored eye lens things you're trying to get, and then you just do that same process. So super easy, really good, effective look, and great visibility from the inside. All right, so I want to hear from you guys. What is the greatest challenge that you face in cosplay? Right, when you're building different things, what is the greatest challenge you face? Go ahead and let me know in the comments below, because I want to know what questions I can try to answer in these quick tip videos for you guys, and hopefully I'll be able to answer your question in one of the upcoming videos. Thank you guys so much. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, thumb it down. Hopefully it's going to be a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe, hit that bell notification so you get notified of these tips every time we put one out, so that you're staying up to date to all the latest things. And then make sure to subscribe, share it. If you have a friend that you know this would help out, go ahead and share it with them, another fellow cosplayer, and we can spread the love. Thank you guys so much. Cosplay on, my friend.